Welcome back, students. Once again, you all are welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, HISWA. Friends, in this video lecture, we will discuss the new topic, that is properties of triangles. This is chapter 15. So in this chapter here, we will understand about the triangles, definition of triangles, various types of triangles, and there are some properties. So friends, let's get started. Here friends, first, what do you mean by triangle? Now see friends, a closed figure bounded by three line segments called triangle. Now friends, a closed figure bounded by three line segment. Look at the friends, this is the one line segment, two line segment, and this is three line segment. Now name friend, this is A, B and C. Now look at the friends, AB is one line segment, AC is another, and BC is another line segment. Means a closed figure bounded by three line segment. And look at the friend, this figure becomes the close, so there is no gap in between any points. There is no gap. If one person is in this figure, then they cannot make out. That means this is closed figure. So this is triangle. Also friend, this is also a triangle friends. Look, suppose P, Q, R, one line segment, two line segment, three line segment. This is also closed figure. This is also triangle. Look at friends, this is also triangle friends. Now see friends, this is also a triangle. So we can see there are various types of triangle. Now we will learn about the various types of triangle afterwards. Once again friends, a closed figure bounded by three line segments is called triangle. Okay. Now friends, in triangle there are two parts friends. First, angles, okay, and the second one is sides. We can say friends, in a triangle there are three sides, this 1, 2 and 3, as well as there are three angles, okay, and sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180. And now friends, in this chapter we will prove how the sum of these sides, means sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Okay, move the next point. Now see friends, here are the various types of triangle. So there are two categories of triangle friends. First, on the basis of their angles, and second on the basis of their sides. So let us discuss first on the basis of their angles. Now friends, in this situation, that means a triangle has three types on the basis of angles, on the basis of their angles. The first friends, acute angle triangle or acute angled triangle. Second, obtuse angle triangle or obtuse angled triangle. Third, right angle triangle or right angled triangle. So friends, now let us define one by one. The first is friends, acute angle triangle. Okay, now see the acute angle triangle. First number friends, acute angle triangle. Triangle in which all angles are acute friends. A triangle in which all angles are acute is called acute angle triangle. Okay friends, now see friends, example. Look at friends, this is, suppose friends, this is 60 degree, this is 50 degree, this is suppose 70 degree, and this is 50 degree. Now look at the friends, sum of these three angles should be 180 degree. So this is 60, 70, and this is 50. Now all these angles are acute, so this is example of acute angle. Now friends, see, the second number is obtuse angle triangle. So now friends, what about obtuse angle triangle? A triangle in which one angle is obtuse friends. One angle is obtuse means friends greater than 90 degree friends, but less than 180 degree. Okay, obtuse means greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay, that is called obtuse angle triangle. Okay friends, example, have a look. Now see friends, this is suppose A, B and C, and look at the friends, this angle is greater than 90 degree. So we can say angle ABC or BAC is a obtuse angle triangle. Okay, now see the next. Now see friends, third, right angle triangle. A triangle in which one angle is right angle means 90 degree is called right angle triangle. Example friends, this is 90 degree friends, A, B and C. So this angle ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, now move friends, we will discuss about the types of triangle on the basis of their sides. Okay, now friends, on the basis of their sides. Okay, on the basis of their sides, types of triangles on the basis of their side. First friends, first equilateral triangle. Now friends, a triangle in which all sides are equal. A triangle in which all sides are equal. Look at friends, we can note it, the definition friends, this side, all sides are equal. So this is A, B or C. We can write the AB is equal to BC. Now see friends, a triangle ABC, side AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So three sides are equal. That is called the equilateral triangle. Once again friends, a triangle in which all sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. Okay, now second number friends, isosceles triangle or isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, a triangle in which two sides are equal is called isosceles or isosceles triangle. Now see friends, suppose this, look at friends, these two sides are equal. So this is A, B, C. We can say AB is equal to AC. So this is the example of isosceles or isosceles triangle. Now third one friends, scalene triangle. What about the scalene triangle? Now friends, a triangle whose all sides are different are called scalene triangle. Look at friend, this is suppose this is A B C, this triangle, this triangle and this triangle, three sides, sorry, all sides are different, so we can say AB not is equal to BC not is equal to AC. Okay, so in this case triangle ABC is a triangle ABC is a scalene triangle. Once again friends, definition of a scalene triangle: a triangle in which all sides are different is called a scalene triangle. Okay, now friends, move ahead. What about the perimeter of triangle friends? Perimeter of triangle, perimeter of triangle, very simple friends. Perimeter of triangle, sum of all sides, sum of all sides means three sides of a triangle is called perimeter of a triangle. Okay, now friends, especially in, look at, this is the triangle friends, so this is A B C, so perimeter P4 is equal to friends AB, sum of all sides, AB is one side, plus BC and plus AC, so this is the perimeter, means sum of all sides, means sum of three sides of a triangle. Particularly friends, if you have to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle, because in equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle, perimeter is equal to friends 3 into side. Why friends? Because all sides are equal, because three sides are equal, so this is why P is equal to 3 multiplied by side. Now friends, this was about the triangles. Okay, now here the one very important question. Now see friends, the most important question friends, how to prove sum of triangles is 180 degree. Okay friends, we will see afterwards. Now before this, some very important point. Okay friends, each angle of a equilateral triangle friends, suppose this is equilateral triangle. Okay, means here all sides are equal. Okay, now then each interior angle in equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Remember friends, 60 degree in equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle. Okay friends, now the second next point friends, the angles opposite to equal side, the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Let us figure out friends with that example. The angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now friends, this is suppose isosceles triangle. Have a look. Look at friends. So look at friends once again. The angles opposite to equal sides. Equal sides के जो angles है friends, मान लेते two sides are equal. Suppose this is A and B2. ये इसके equal sides, angles opposite to equal sides. ये equal sides का जो opposite angle है, इस AC के opposite angle friends ये है. ओके, और this AB का opposite angle friends this is ये. ओके, तो these two angles are also friends equal. Question this point says angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. This is isosceles triangle are equal. Means this is isosceles triangle and angles opposite to equal sides. These two angles are also equal. Yani angle B is equal to angle C. Why friends? This question says, because this point says in isosceles triangle opposite angles to the equal side ये दोनों इक्वल साइड्स को अपोजिट एंगल्स क्या होगा, आपस में इक्वल. अपोजिट एंगल्स टू द इक्वल साइड्स आर equal in isosceles triangle. Okay friends, I hope you will be clear. Now friends, now next point is Asclepian triangle has no two equal sides. Means friends, Asclepian triangle has no two equal sides. Suppose friend, this is the triangle. This suppose A, B, C. Sometimes this is 6 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter friends, and this is suppose 4 centimeter. So any two sides of a Asclepian triangle are different friends, and is different. Any two sides, these two sides are different, these two sides are different, these two sides are different. Okay friends, now move the next one, very important theorem. The theorem is friends is the same. How to prove angle sum property. This is called angle ANGLE, angle, this is sum property. Now friends, angle sum property means sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Okay, the theorem, this theorem says sum of the angles of a triangle friend, this is triangle, this is symbol of triangle, write the triangle, triangle is friends 180. Okay, now friends, first we have to draw a triangle. Like this is triangle friends. Okay, now level, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now friends, in order to some construction, in order to prove the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180, now some construction is here friends. Take a line which is parallel to BC friends. Take a line which is parallel to BC. Now this is the line friends, L. Now take L, draw L line parallel to BC friends. Now suppose when this is one angle, suppose this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Okay, now see friends, L is parallel to BC. Very simple friends. So this angle and this angle is congruent friends, because alternate interior angle, and this angle and this angle are equal friends, alternate interior angle. Okay, and now sum of angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 friends is equal to 180, because this is a straight line. L is a straight line friends. Okay, now since friends L is parallel to BC, and we take AB as transversal, okay, then friends angle 1 is equal to angle 4, alternate interior angle friends. Okay, this is first point. Similarly friends, L is parallel to BC, and we take AC as transversal, okay, then this angle 2 is equal to angle 5. So this is the second point friends, because friends alternate interior angles. Okay, now friends see here, because friends this angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to friends, this is what, this is 180 degree, because friends a straight line, and look at the friend, this angle, this plus this becomes 180. Now friends angle third, here friends angle 2, angle 5, put the value of angle 4 could be written as friends angle 1, and angle 2 could be written as this is angle 4 could be written as friends 1. So instead of angle 4 friends, we can write angle 1. Instead of angle 5 friends, we can write angle, this is 2. Now look at the friends, this is angle 1, this is angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to what friends, 180. So this is proved friends. We can place the value friend from here. Instead of 4 we can place angle 1, instead of 5 we can place angle 2. So this is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. So proved friends. I hope friends you will enjoy with this video lecture. So please learn all the points friends, okay, and we will see the next video lecture for the next topic, that means next question. Okay friends, till then have a nice day.